Unul dintre secretele angajării mai rapide în domeniul IT este videoportfolio. Hai să-ți prezint în video ăsta ce a reușit unul dintre cursanții programului Cyber Security să facă folosind noțiunile pe care le-a învățat în mai puțin de un an de zile. Urmărește până la final și în cazul în care vrei și tu să faci aceste lucruri într-o perioadă mult mai scurtă de timp față de alte modele de învățământ, atunci te invit să aplici pentru o discuție gratuită cu dintre consultanții în echipa mea ca să-ți arătăm și ție care sunt pașii de urmat și ce ai de făcut ca să te poți angaja concret chiar anul acesta în domeniul IT, pe partea de securitate cibernetică, rețele sau Linux. Aplică acum și îți doresc spor la vizionat.
Hello and welcome to a new tutorial in computer networking. In this tutorial we have a special topology with 4 different lanes, lane 1, lane 2, lane 3 and lane 4. At the moment we have with 4 different colors all the details about lanes, and also we have a subnet mask for every LAN. At the moment I need to try a configuration, a special configurations for the routers and for the intermediate devices and devices, and the mainly objective for these topologies connectivity end-to-end connectivity between every lens, okay, between every laptop for the left side and every laptop or personal computer on the right side, okay, and also the dynamic routing with OSPF protocol. Okay, so at the moment I need to configure the routers. First of all, router 0, now enable configure terminal. Okay, interface gigabit 0/1. Okay, at the moment we have access on the interface gigabit 0/1 from lane 1. Okay, IP address 1 with no slash. Okay, and show IP interface with. Okay, we have an IP address. We have an IP address for the special interface for lane 1. This is the IP address for this lane 1 for the first lane, for the first sections of lane. Okay. Gateway lane 1. And now I needed to check the connectivity into the lane 1. Okay, first of all I need to configure with IP address every end devices from lane 1. Okay. So this is the subnet mask default gateway from the output. Okay. Okay, and we need to try the connectivity and connectivity to the router, okay, to the default gateway. Next is the same way, okay, for configuration side. Great. And the last configuration. So we have three different IP address, each one for every end devices from this section. Okay, short note. System IP address for the personal computer. Okay, next one. Lane. Okay, I need to start the configuration with the routers. Okay, now neighbor configure terminal. Interface gigabit 0 0 1. Okay, IP address. No slash wait and show interface different. Okay, this is the IP address, okay, for the lane 2. Regarding the default gateway, okay. Address IP for lane 2. Okay, and also the IP address for each end devices. Okay, we have we'll try to connect over here. Great. Next one. Great. And the last one. The address for gateway. And also the main command. Okay, I need to note every IP address for each end devices. for lane 3 now. Okay. We have also a router for lane 3. Meanwhile, on your terminal interface one. They know so much and show maybe interface with. Okay, this is the IP address for lane 3. All play lane 3. Okay, and server IP for server part. Okay, so we have also web server. Subnet mask. Okay, and default gateway. Default gateway is this one. Okay, and also we need to try the connectivity between web server and the router. Good, great, it's working. Now, the last LAN is the lane 4. Okay. Also, I will start with router configuration for this LAN with pink color. Now, enable configure terminal interface. One IP address. Now say great and show IP interface brief. Show IP interface brief. This is the IP address for the LAN with pink color. Okay, this one. I need to note. Default gateway lane 4. Okay, and also in this lane we have 4 different end devices. Okay, configurations for each one of them. IP address. Okay, this one. And we need to try the connectivity now. Okay. Great. Great. Next one. Okay. Okay, and wait, I need to start a configuration in the service provider table. Configure terminal. Use address. Much. Okay. Set much. Okay. Okay, great. It's working. The first packet was done for the ARP protocol. Okay, and we have 4 packets. Next one. Label. Okay, no sandwich, no shutdown. Okay, great. Also, ping. Great. It's working the connectivity. Now let's stop it. Enable. Okay, we're terminal. Face. Press. Shut down. Terminal. Face. Okay. Ping. Okay, we have connectivity and this one. And enable. Okay, one terminal. Face. Launch. No shutdown. Shut down. Okay. And ping. Okay, great. We have also connectivity and show open face 3. These are the all IP address for the router and for this router with the status up for internet service provider and for LAN connectivity. Okay, great. We have the connectivity and the configurations. In this tutorial and in the next tutorial, we will have the link routing with OSPF protocol and network key. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, this is the second tutorial for this special topology. At the moment, we have all the IP address and all the subnet mask for every lens. Okay. For intermediate devices and for end devices, okay, for example, personal computer, laptop, or server. In this tutorial, we will able to see the connectivity end-to-end and the dynamic, the connectivity end-to-end between a laptop for the left side and a personal computer or laptop, on the right side. Okay. And dynamic routing. Okay, at the moment, if I give a ping, okay, a ping, for example, ping here, okay, ping Okay, destination as unreachable. Okay. Dynamic routing is with the following configuration: table, terminal, router, OSPF 1. Okay, network, work. Okay. Okay, network, network. This is the first neighborhood. The second neighborhood is this one. Okay. Area 1. Okay, and the last neighborhood is this subnet mask. Work. Okay, and show IP protocol. Okay, great. We have IP address and gateway. Next one. Enable, configure terminal, router, OSPF 2. Okay, network. What is the first neighborhood? Okay, one, network, work. The second neighborhood for this router is this one, okay? One, okay, and the last neighborhood network is this subnet mask. One. Wait, and show IP. Okay. Wait. Show IP protocol. Show IP protocol. Okay, great. Routing for networks. Okay, and default gateway. System router, okay. On terminal router OSPF 1, 2, 2. Network. The first neighborhood area 1, okay, network. The second neighborhood is this subnet mask, okay. Area 1, okay, network. The third neighborhood 3. Wait. And the last one. We return one router OSPF or network the first neighborhood. Area 1 network. Area 1. Okay. Protocol. Show the protocol. Okay. Now I give a thing. We have the connectivity. For example, present. And we have the connectivity event between the laptop with this IP address and the personal computer with this IP address. Website. Okay. Another example. Ping. Or insert. Or great. For example, we have the connectivity between this laptop and this laptop for lane this laptop for lane 1 and this laptop, okay, in lane 4. Okay, this is the way, this is the number of hosts. For example, the first packet are sending in default gateway, from default gateway, okay, internet service provider, okay, from internet service provider in internet service provider another internet service provider. Okay. This one is the port. Okay, and in this IP address, in this laptop with this IP address, the way is the following. The packets is the following. The packets are in the following way. Okay, we have the router 0, router 2, router 3. Okay, for example, another example. Okay, I choose this laptop. Ping. I tested the connectivity between this laptop for lane green and server in lane blue with color. Okay, wait and reset. The number of holes. Okay, so we have the following, and the packets are sending in forest router. Okay, default gateway from default gateway in this router. Okay, internet service provider, and from internet service provider in router for lane 3. Good. Okay, and another example. Ping. This is the way regarding how I can make a dynamic routing with OSPF in this special topology. Thanks for watching.
Auți un curs de securitate cibernetică prin care să ai o carieră sigură și de viitor, atunci intră pe linkul din bio și programează o discuție. Eu ajut românii să intre în domeniul acesta al IT-ului în doar 9 luni de zile, chiar dacă nu au experiență anterioară. Poate și tu vrei să lucrezi mai mult de acasă, să-i păstrezi pe alții în siguranță, cum e zona de securitate cibernetică, și mi-ar plăcea să te ajut. Lucrez cu peste 100 de cursanți activi. Dacă vrei și tu să afli mai multe, intră pe linkul din bio și hai să ne apucăm de treabă, să începi o carieră profitabilă, care să lucrezi de acasă și să te bucuri de ceea ce oferă domeniul IT. Chiar dacă ești în țară sau ești în diaspora, te poate ajuta chestia asta. Nu o rata. Hai să ne apucăm de treabă.